Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Shazam. You click on settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about Shazam app. And you will click, you will go to apps like this. Here, then you will search about Shazam, and then you will go for stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, and then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.